Hello everyone. Today this is not a video to show our products, but a video to show something which confused us a long time. Now let's see these four things. First, let's see our accordion bag dies. We released these products on November 2019 last year, and we have pictures and videos for the exact timeline on Ins and YouTube, and you can check it. And we have made a new combination for the accordion bag. This is the fail bag on March 2020. This year. Also, you could see the upload time and the videos we have show how they combined and worked. And here it comes. Please remember how these two dies combined with each other and how they worked out as a whole. This way of combination we never see any other stores or videos to show this style, and we think we are the original design of this combination. And on July 2020, one of our customers kindly reminded us that maybe one store has a similar item with our products just like this too. Now you could see the store page of them July 2020, and that's we focused on these two items. You could see here uh, and here. Now let's see the detail. The first is it like our accordion bags? I think this is the same. You could see the cover, the way to close it. It's just a different of paper. Let's compare with our items. They look same. And here comes the second item. The item is just like what I told you to remember before. It's a combination of accordion bag and fill bags. Even the way the close and open and how the fill lay out, they are all the same. Now we could review the timeline. We have our products released on last year November and this year March, and what they have uploaded is on this year June 2020. This is our first time to meet such kind of things, and we thought maybe this is a coincidence. Now let's see the second thing. This is a very little factory, but we just want to list here to let you see it. We released this product on March this year, and on the fill we have a circle and a ball style to close the fill. One is for the rectangle fill and one is for the square fill, which you could see on the circle of the picture. We use rope to finish it. And this year, October, we saw a big seller in our catalog to show this. You could see it, the same ball, same way to close the envelope. This is a very little part. I just put it here for you to see it. Here you could see our videos on March. I think they are the same way to close the file. Maybe no one before used bowl to roll the rope. Let's review the timeline again. With our product on March 2020 and these big sellers videos on October 2020. Between our video and their video, there is 5 months distance, and in the following you will know the distance is shorter and shorter. Maybe someone think this ball is such a little thing. Now we have the following things comes, and we will show it. Now here things going on. We released our mystery press cutting die. You could see in the video, it's just a box which have two sides. One is we called medium, one is we called small, and we released this on July 17th, and videos on YouTube we upload it on July 19th, and you could see the timeline as I marked. And let's see our video to let you know exactly the box look like. You could see the box, and you could see we have 3 usages of it, and when it comes last usage, you will know what I have said. Now this is the third usage. You could see we put 2 small boxes together and a handle on each of them and a zip tier you could see on the combination between them. And the time, July. And on this year, September, one of our followers sent us a video to show this store's small box. Let's see it. And just to watch what they did. A small box, 2 small box with a handle combined together, and now open it the same with our open style, and you could see the lips between it. Yes, to be honest, except the color of paper, I do not know what is the difference between this box and ours. I think they are the same. And the following is the video, and you could also check the time they upload and our video and the detail. I think there is no need for detail. It just look like at a glance it is the same. And I will speed up the video because there is still some following things. This is not an end. And remember the last thing, the distant time between us is 5 months, and this time it shorter to 2 months after we upload it. See all the videos. Do you have the same question as I have? Is this still a coincidence? But since it's not over. You guys may know we have many 3D interactive dies and elbow box. We released the new products Hexagon album on September. You could see many layouts, and you could see the time on it and YouTube when we upload this product. Okay, just to remember our cover, shaker, and our layout, and the layer, and even the inside pocket we have designed. The following is a video to show our time and our details, and we will speed it up. But if you want to know the exact time, you could check it. Here comes the big seller's products, which is an oxygen album. They upload it on October. We know hexogen and oxygen, they are some basic frame. Everyone could come up with these ideas, but you could see the cover, the layout, the inside pocket. They are similar with ours. And all through these scenes and the detail you see, we could not just believe this is still a coincidence. And this time we upload on September, they upload on October, the distance shorter to 1 month. And this is our new product on November 2020. We have seen the same instruction box in one of famous designers on, on her ins, and the review show it sold to KS Craft store. So maybe a few days later, this box will on KS Craft store. We do not know what things going on. If all of these are coincidence, why always our products? Do you big sellers all have an eye on our design? Or you just always do this kind of things, and we are just one of these victims? And through all the things, we just could not tell us these are coincidence. And I know you have the answer in your heart. What is the situation? What they have done? And what we have suffered? Every time we show our released products, then a few weeks after, the same one is uploaded in their store or videos to show every time. We know that we are just a small seller. We do not have so many followers as they do. We post this above thing just to let all you crafters to judge. Such situation are them just a coincidence, or they just copy our video with a little bit change. Then they claim it is their so-called original design. If you want more original design to come out in the future, I hope you can repost this for more people to see, and also hope that you can continue to support real original design.